Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
I once downloaded a project management tool with big dreams of becoming organized, disciplined, and productive. But instead, I spent an entire evening rearranging tasks I hadn't even started yet. So let's skip the motivational speeches and go straight into pricing. Nifty positions itself as a modern, collaboration-first project management platform, and its pricing is structured per user, per month. There is a free plan available, which is helpful for small teams or startups that want to test the platform before committing, but it comes with noticeable limits on the number of active projects, storage capacity, and access to advanced features. As soon as you move into Nifty's paid plans, you unlock significantly more functionality, including advanced task automation, time tracking, reporting dashboards, and stronger collaboration tools that support real operational workflows. Higher tier plans increase storage limits, allow more guest users and external collaborators, and introduce portfolio-level project management. This is especially valuable for agencies or companies that manage multiple clients, departments, or initiatives at the same time and need a high-level overview of everything happening across the organization. Overall, Nifty's pricing sits comfortably in the mid-range of project management software. It's not positioned as a budget tool, but it also doesn't push into enterprise-only pricing. Many features that competitors charge extra for are already bundled into Nifty's plans, which helps reduce the need for additional subscriptions. For context, it's worth briefly mentioning Plutio's pricing model, which uses flat monthly pricing instead of charging per user. That approach can feel more predictable for freelancers and small teams, but we'll explore that more deeply later. Now let's move fully into Nifty's features, because this is where the platform truly begins to justify its pricing. Nifty is designed as a full project lifecycle management solution, meaning it supports planning, execution, collaboration, and delivery all in one place. It offers robust task management with dependencies, recurring tasks, milestones, and clear status tracking, allowing teams to map out projects from kickoff to completion with minimal confusion. One of Nifty's strongest and most appreciated features is its timeline and roadmap views, which automatically update as tasks progress. This means when a task is delayed or completed early, the entire timeline adjusts without manual effort, giving teams real-time visibility into deadlines and project health. This is especially valuable for deadline-driven teams where timing is critical. Nifty also includes built-in discussions, team chat, and document sharing, which significantly reduces the need to rely on external tools like email or messaging apps. Comments, mentions, and activity feeds ensure that conversations stay connected directly to the work, improving clarity and accountability. Nifty's reporting dashboards provide insight into workload distribution, task progress, and overall project performance, helping managers spot bottlenecks early and make informed decisions. Integrations with tools like Google Drive, Slack, Zoom, and calendar platforms allow Nifty to fit smoothly into existing workflows without forcing teams to change how they already work. Now let's talk honestly about Nifty's pros and cons. On the positive side, Nifty successfully combines planning, execution, and communication into a single platform, which reduces tool overload and context switching. Automated timelines and milestone tracking are standout features, and the interface is modern, clean, and visually appealing, making it easier for teams to adopt. On the downside, Nifty can feel overwhelming for solo users or very small teams, and some advanced features take time to fully understand and configure properly. The free plan is limited, and teams with very simple needs may find the platform more complex than necessary. Overall, Nifty is best suited for teams that want structured project planning, strong collaboration, and clear visibility into timelines and progress, all within one centralized workspace. Now let's move into Plutio's features, because Plutio takes a very different approach compared to Nifty By focusing on helping people run an entire business, not just manage projects, Plutio is built primarily for freelancers, consultants, agencies, and small teams that want project management, client management, and business operations combined into one centralized platform. At its core, Plutio offers flexible project and task management that allows users to organize work by projects, clients, or internal workflows. Tasks can be customized, scheduled, automated, and connected to workflows that reflect how work actually flows in real life, rather than forcing users into a rigid structure. One of Plutio's most powerful and frequently praised features is its client portal system. This allows businesses to invite clients into a secure, branded portal where they can view project progress, send and receive messages, upload and download files, approve deliverables, sign contracts, and even make payments. This alone can replace long email threads and significantly improve the client experience. Plutio also includes built-in tools for invoicing, proposals, contracts, and custom forms, allowing users to manage the entire client lifecycle from onboarding to final payment without switching between multiple applications. Time tracking is available to monitor billable and non-billable work, which is essential for service-based businesses that charge by the hour or need accurate internal reporting. Automation is another major strength of Plutio. Users can automate repetitive actions such as task creation, status updates, reminders, notifications, and workflow transitions, which saves time and reduces human error. Plutio also provides customizable dashboards that give users a clear overview of projects, revenue, tasks, and client activity all in one place. Advanced permissions and role-based access controls allow businesses to decide exactly what team members and clients can see, which is especially important when dealing with sensitive information or multiple stakeholders. Plutio integrates with other tools and also offers API access for users who want to build custom workflows or deeper integrations. Now let's talk honestly about Plutio's pros and cons. On the positive side, Plutio excels as an all-in-one business management platform. It replaces several separate tools by combining project management, client communication, invoicing, automation, and documentation into one system. Its flat pricing model makes costs predictable and scalable, especially for growing teams or businesses with many clients. The depth of customization is also a major advantage for users who want their software to adapt to their business rather than the other way around. On the downside, Plutio has a noticeably steeper learning curve compared to simpler project management tools. The interface can feel complex at first, and initial setup takes time to configure properly. Users who only need basic task tracking may find Plutio more powerful than necessary. Now let's talk ratings. According to Capterra, both Nifty and Plutio generally receive strong user ratings, commonly averaging around 4 to 4.5 stars, based on aggregated user reviews. These ratings are based on individual user experiences and feedback, and may change over time, so viewers should always check the most recent listings directly on Capterra, as this is not official endorsement data from the software companies themselves. Final takeaway time. If your priority is structured project planning, clear timelines, and team collaboration, Nifty is the stronger choice. If you want a platform that helps you manage projects, clients, billing, automation, and operations all in one place, Plutio is the better fit. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the software and see which one fits your workflow best.